Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off iPhone camera sound. So lots of time if you take the picture or a video in your iPhone, you don't want to hear that shutter sound and you want it to be on mute. And there is really two ways to do that. I want to show you. It's actually not in the settings. If you go into settings, you will see you don't have these settings in here. You could also look in your camera setting, you won't see this there as well. So the only way to do it is very simple way to do it is just putting your phone on mute. But I'm going to show you much better way that doesn't interfere with everything else. But put your phone on mute obviously is just you need to slide this over here. The side button on your left side, you just have to slide it to the downside and you will see the option here. As you can see, silent mode is on. Now if you click your pictures, you won't listen that sound. And if you jump into your camera here, you will see there is no sound now. Now let me take this off silent mode. I will show you a better way. All you have to do is tap on this icon in the top right corner, turn this on. As you can see with live photos, you won't hear shutter sounds. As you can see, if you turn it off, you will hear the shutter sound. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to turn off camera sound in iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel.